how to free up disk space in Windows 10 PC and laptop. So in order to free up your disk space in Windows 10 and PC or laptop, I'll be showing you different ways on how you can do it. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions guided. Now first of all, we'll start by deleting all of our temporary files and folders, deleting the cache, clearing your cache and all that. So for that, you need to open up your Windows tab and search type in storage. Go to storage settings. After that, open up. So now on this page you can see the install app, others, temporary files and all that. So first of all, what you can do is go to temporary files and you can delete all of the temporary files. Now right over here you can see some of the features or some of the options are not marked. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and mark on whatever that you wish to remove or delete it in order to clear up your storage. So go to all of these, and if you want to keep some of it, then just unmark it and make sure not to mark on download, because this is going to delete all of your downloaded folders. If you want to delete it, so then you can mark on it, and after that click on remove files, which is right over here. If you're about it, click on the continue button. This is going to take a while, so you have to wait patiently. Your temporary files, head back to the home page right there and go to others, and just delete all of your cache, cookies and all that unnecessary files, whatever that you wish to delete. In my case, I don't have a folder, so just back to the IU action. Go to install app. So that just uninstall the applications that are no longer in use or that you're not using anymore in order to uninstall it, and after that you'll be able to see a drop down menu. From there, tap on the install button. For the confirmation, once again it's going to ask you, so if you're sure about it, then tap on uninstall button and then you've successfully uninstalled your applications. So apart from it, what else you can do is you can also delete all of the cache and cookies from your browser, and apart from it, you can also empty your recycle bin and empty your folder, whichever files are not needed anymore, and that's just gonna save a lot of space. So in this way you can free up disk space in Windows 10 PC and laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.